last chance. I was gonna ask us one day why the fuck am I always what's it last chance?
It's the motherfucking last chance, nigga.
Why Nation?
J-Day the motherfucking John.
Yeah. Let's go. Yo girl say she liking me, but I don't be writing B. Cause I feel like that is dirty tea. A file. Yeah, in this society, I'm stuck up in reality, but she isn't a fantasy. Dreaming about me and her, I don't dream about her at all. See, I'm on that wall like an egg, Mr. Egg. Please don't watch me fall because I busted. It's a must, but please don't cuss. See, you filled with lust, and I'm filled with that best. These niggas know the rest. And she say, hey, that she stressed. But I don't want your girl, cause your girl just want me for my fame. And I ain't playing games.
I ain't playing games with you. You told your friends that you my boo, but you lie, ho. You ain't nothing but a side hoe. Can't be nothing, not my wife, not my main hoe. I'm chillin', telling all your friends I'm coming through to kill 'em. Fuck 'em in that asshole psych, I'm just skillin' on these pussy niggas that say they ain't feelin' the last chance. This your last dance, tell that hoe to kick rocks or get out them pants. Take them panties off too, let me fuck you round. I don't give a fuck on the bed or on the ground.
Yo, hey, I didn't know that was the party. Taking off her panties, well, I guess she getting naughty. Damn, what's up with that? Yeah, I wanna touch a cat. I just wanna kiss her from her neck down to the back of her back. Yes, yes, I see that. And she be liking this because her pants just getting wetter. And I put it all together. She should have just known better. This is the last chance. Go ahead, get this last dance. Here I go. Yes, you don't want to see me when I catch these flows, cause these people say we cold. But yes, I'm hot, and I know you hot too. Between your legs, go ahead and give me head. Later on, we can meet up in the bed. What?
I said I'm single. Tell your bitch to mingle. I don't give a shit. Make her pussy jingle.
Ooh.
Jingle like some bells. I'm lying, know as well that I fuck a lot of hoes, but you ain't one of them. You can be my lady, be my baby, or my boo. I really love to kiss, love to hug and cuddle with you, but you know something different. You always say I'm lying, but I'm not. I'm just trying to get your number. I'm dialing late night, send pics, maybe tweet, maybe Facebook. I don't give a shit. I don't know, bro. Fuck this shit.
But anyways, I hop on and hop off. Know that she was sick, told me come take care of her call. So I did. Then I hopped off just like a kid on the playground. Yeah, I'm getting this shit. Niggas wanna talk, but I told them get red. I don't even care, yeah, I got that fit. Snap back, shorty. Yeah, these niggas know we be caught it. Yeah, these niggas they drink shit. Hey, Miami, you know we Bacardi. Oh, goddamn, I'm going in, no, I'm still going ham. This why next to the last chance, nigga. Hey, what you thought it really was? But anyways, I'm single. Yo, bitch, she wanna mingle. So I'ma hook up later on and we can hit that date. We could get it on. Shouty, don't be too late. Meeting in my bedroom. Damn, sound familiar? Yeah, I think it do. But you know what? I love you, boo.
Last chance. Follow us on Twitter.
I_am Hitch.
Trademark and deuces.
Peace.